Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make protein whey step by step. Start by warming milk gently and adding an acid like lemon juice or vinegar to form curds. Strain through cheesecloth, separate curds from whey. Squeeze the cloth to extract more liquid, heat to around 120 degrees F if needed to speed separation, and season curds for ricotta or store whey, chilled or frozen for future use. Gather basic equipment and keep everything clean before starting to ensure a good result. Warm milk between 120 degrees F and 140 degrees F. Add your acid or culture slowly while stirring. Then let the mixture rest undisturbed to allow solid curds to form and the whey to separate. Strain through cheesecloth, chill the collected whey promptly, and consider freezing portions in trays for convenient use in smoothies and baking. Troubleshoot weak curds by adding a bit more acid or raising the milk temperature a few degrees while avoiding overstirring, which breaks curds. If whey tastes sweet, you may need more acid. If it tastes bitter, check for overheating or contamination. Always strain thoroughly to remove solids, and store written notes about temperature, acid volume, and timing to refine your process and repeat successes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.